Hey, what's up everyone? If you want to create a warm welcome for your new subscribers, today I'm going to show you how to set up a welcome email automation in ActiveCampaign. So this is a great way to make a strong first impression and start nurturing your leads right away. Let's get into it. First, head over to the Automations tab in ActiveCampaign and create a new automation. For this automation, we're going to start from scratch. Go. And then we're going to choose when a contact subscribes to a list as our trigger. And then we're going to hit Add Start. So whenever someone joins your email list, then this automation will kick off. And then next, we're going to add our first action. Let's send an email. And we're going to say, and we're going to call this warm welcome. Great, so this will be your welcome email. You can introduce yourself. Hi. My name is Dak. Or you can go ahead and introduce your brand and set the tone for future communications. All right, so let's save and exit this. One other thing I'd like to mention is you can also add an attachment, or you can click on insert and you can personalize this email with the subscriber's name, or include links to resources that might be helpful. So you can also add a follow-up email a few days later to keep the engagement going. Okay. So once everything is set up, you can go ahead and turn the automation on and let ActiveCampaign handle the rest. Now, every new subscriber will automatically receive a warm welcome. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description and start building your automations today.